Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a mannequin head that I just got. The mannequin head I got is by HAIRGINKGO or HAIRGINKGO. Once you open the box, you will see that they supplied you with a table clamp along with your mannequin head. The description for this mannequin says that it is 100% real hair in the color 2, is 16 inches, and you can cut, curl, color, and of course, practice braids or other cute styles. As I ran my hands through the hair, there was a little bit of shedding, but I haven't really styled it, so I'm not sure if it's going to get worse. This is the bottom of the mannequin. It's pretty messy and the glue is spilling out. Here's an up-close look at the texture. There are gray and coppery colored strands mixed all throughout the hair. The hair is really soft. To me, it's like a really good blowout with some silky heat protectant on it. It's flowing, y'all. It's flowing. I finger parted it to show you what the scalp looks like and how spacey the hair is. Here's some slight discoloration along the hairline, giving you a view of the back. Now onto the table clamp, and there should be 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. I know putting the clamp together can be tricky, so here's how you do it. They really should put a tiny picture instructional inside, and I don't know why they don't. There's a hole on the bottom of the mannequin. That's where you'll stick the top of the table clamp. When you put the head on the clamp, it's not a tight fit, so it's going to be pretty wobbly and spin around while you're trying to style it. So I'm going to give you one solution to that problem. But first, to put the clamp on the table, you're going to twist the silver piece at the bottom to the left until the opening is wide enough to slide right onto your table. Once the opening is wide enough, slide it onto the table and twist the silver piece to the right to tighten it. Do you see how the head is spinning while I mess with the hair? You don't want that. To cut down on how much the mannequin head spins, place a towel over the top part of the clamp, put the head back on, and tighten the round piece of the clamp. See? Much better, right? To take the clamp off the table, spin the silver piece at the bottom to the left. Thank you all so much for watching, and until my next video, bye.